Hello everyone. So welcome to my final video in the Linux tutorial series for our biweekly lab assignment 2. In the topics for this video is process and pipes. We are going to look how to check running programs, stop them, filter command results, and use two helpful bonus Linux commands. I am Akash Patel and use thanks to Dr. Victor Swami for building us through this project. And let's begin. Okay, so using this ps command, it shows which programs are running right now. So first, let's learn how to see what's running on your systems. So let's see what is happening when I type ps. So you can see my both both files and its ID and terminal and time and all this stuff. So you can see the process ID, terminal, time used, and command name. You can see it, right? There is a two command, then both IDs, the terminals, and times. So using this command, you can see the process status. Let's see the next command. So top next command is top, and it shows a live list of running process. Let's see if I type it top, what is happening. Okay, so you can see all the IDs, process IDs, user, then all the stuff, CPU uses, memory uses, time, command, and all the stuffs you can see how this is my files and users, my product ID, IDs. So you can see it refers every few seconds and shows CPU uses, memory uses, process IDs, who's running it, and if you want to quit, you can do like you can see stop top command and use these users and it's it's a process ID. So if I want to quit this command, just press Q. So it's help to live. You can see the live list of running process. It's very interesting command. Okay, to see a bigger list of everything running on your systems. Okay, so if you see a bigger list of running on, you can just try the PSEX and you can see the bigger list. All like with the list, what where is from and all the stuffs. You can see right. So you using this command, you can see the bigger list of everything running on your systems. Okay, let's see the next command. So next command is kill. If you want to kill any process, you can just type the kill and its process ID from the PS. So if I want to quit this PS command, PS evex, just kill and 1065 process ID and just enter. No such process, it's killed. Okay, so using this command you can kill the process of any commands. Let's see the next commands. If you want to kill all the processes from the any one command, you can just type the kill all and just command name. So there is my command, like if I type ps, there is command psh. If I want to kill all the command from these, I want to just type the kill all and it's gone. But be careful, don't use this on the important system process. So I do not use right now. because I don't want any trouble. Okay, so you can try, but with the careful. Okay, let's see the next command. The next command is like pipes. So it's connect two commands. If you want to like connect two commands at one time, you can use this pipe. Okay, so if I want to use this ps ux command and grp paste, so it's processed with not firefox but base. Okay, so look at all the running process and only shows the ones with base in them, right? So let's try ps ux and pipe command, pipe command and grep ps. So you can see all this process of the base command, all the stuff from the base command. So it's I am right now I am using both the command psaux. It shows all the processes, all the commands, and all the details of this command. And but it's particularly pash commands. So using grep base, you it's particular base it shows of base command. Okay, so it's very useful for the filtering. Okay, let's see the next command. So next command is grep. It means global regular expression print. It's help you to search for words in file or outputs. Okay, so if I want to search this hello from the hello.cpp, I just like type grep hello. But first of all, I want to go in folder cpp file ls cd cpp file, and there is my file. So I have to like grep hello word from the hello.cpp files, and I will show you how many times it's hello in this hello.cpp. So it shows like every words for the any particular files. So using this command you can see all the words from these uh, any words from these files. And if you want to show the output, so you want to show it's help to show only cpp files in the folder. So if you want to show the list of only cpp files, just type ls.l and again use the pipe. I want to use the both command at one time. So grep and .cpp files, and you can see the result of .cpp file. It shows the long list with all the .cpp files. If you type only the grep.cpp files, you can see all this stuffs, right? So using this command, you can see all the cpp files from this folder. So it's very helpful and it's very interesting command. So show me if so this shows only .cpp files from the list of all files. This save time and make it easy to find what you need. Okay, so using this command, it's very easy. So let's see the next command. So next our bonus command is who. It shows who is currently logged in the systems. If you type who, it shows who is uh, which users right now using this system. So Akash, these users use this is date and this is time. What time he used. Shows the usernames of people logged in. It also shows the login times and from where they logged in, and good for checking if someone else is using the systems. So like on the server or site lab. Okay. So it's very useful command. Let's see the next command. So next our next bonus command is host name. So if you type host name, it shows the name of host. So it's my host name is like A. So it's display the name of your computer like host name, like computer name. So why it's useful? It helps identify your systems when working on a network or it remote login, and it's useful for the system setup and scripting, right? So if you are working on a network, you are logging with into the remote systems or you are writing the scripts. So simple but very helpful. Okay. So that's it. Alright, let's quickly review everything you will learn in this video. So you can check the process using PS and top. You can them using kill and kill all. You can connect command using the pipe. You can search smartly using the grep, and you saw two bonus commands who like who and host name. That's a lot. And now you have officially finished all three videos of the Linux tutorial service. So thank you for watching all these three video. Thank you so much for watching all three of my Linux video of PLA2. If you found this helpful, please press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more content. And also leave a comment if you have any questions, or I will be happy to help you. Use thanks again to Dr. Victor Swami for supporting us and making this project possible. Stay tuned for more tech videos, tips, terminal tricks, and learning videos. See you next time.